little friends, how are you today? This is Sara. I'm going to visit farm today. Would you like to come with me and meet some animals? Well done. Let's count to 3. When we say 3, we'll be at the farm. Say 1, 2, 3. Look, we are at the farm to meet some animals. Let's see who we meet first at the farm. Let's look around and see which animal is here. Let's see. Oh wow, look, this is a cow. Cow. Can you see the cow here? Good. Let me show you a little cow as well. Look what I have in my hand. This is a little cow. Cow. Say cow. The cow says moo moo. The cow says moo moo. Let's say hello to cow. Hi cow. Hello, how are you? The cow says moo moo. I'm good. How are you? The cow says moo and eats some hay. She gives us milk to drink each day. She walks around and shakes her tail and naps out in the grassy trail. Say bye cow. Say bye to cow. Bye bye. And let's see which animal is the next one. Oink oink. Oink oink. Look, who is this? This is a pig. The pig on mud. Can you see the pig here? Hi pig. Hi piggy, how are you? Say pig. Pig. And see who's here. Peek-a-boo. Peek-a-boo. Look, this is a little pig. Pig. This is our little piggy friend. Say hi to little piggy. Hi. And say hi to this piggy. Hi. The pig says oink and rolls in mud. She wiggles, snorts and gives a tut. She loves to eat, she loves to play, and snoozes in the straws all day. Oink oink. Oink oink. Bye piggy, bye. Go and have some rest. Baa baa. Can you see a fluffy friend here? Here is a sheep. A sheep says baa baa. Can you say sheep? Say sheep. Good job. Well done. Now say baa baa. Baa baa. Good job! Well done! There is one sheep in my hand. This is Baba Blue Sheep. Baba Blue Sheep, here you animal. Say hello to sheep. Hi! Look at the sheep. The sheep says, "Bah, her wool is white. She sleeps so snug and walks so light. She eats green grass and loves to run and plays outside in the morning sun." The sheep love to eat grass and love to run. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop, clip. Clip clop, clip clop, clip clop, clip. Look, here comes the horsey. Neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, horse. Hello, horse. How are you? Can you see a horse here? This is a horse. Let's say horse. 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 Good job. Look at this tiny little horse. Can you see that? Good. Can you say hello, horse? Hello, horse. Hello. How are you, horsey? I'm good. How are you? The horse says, hi. The horse says, neigh. She runs so fast. She trots and gallops right on past. Her mane is long, her tail is neat. She has 4 strong and stumpy feet. The horses walk on 4 feet. Bye, horsey. bye boy. Say bye to horse. Say bye horse. Cluck cluck, cluck cluck. Can you hear that? The cluck cluck sound. Can you guess who's doing cluck cluck? Let's look around and find. Who's doing cluck cluck here, please? Oh, this is a chicken. Look at the chicken. A chicken says cluck cluck. Chickens give us eggs. Say hello to this little chicken. Look at this little chicken. Say hi. Hello, little chicken. How are you today? Cluck, 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 cluck. I'm fine. How are you today? Cluck, 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 cluck. Bye, chicken. Bye. Little hen with feathers red, you peck the ground and turn your head. You say cluck cluck and flap around. You lay your legs without a sound. Quack quack, quack quack. Who's there? Quack quack. This is a duck. Look at this duck. Hi, duck. Hello. Hello, ducky. Can you say quack quack with duck? Say quack quack. Quack quack, quack quack. Ducks are found in farms and barns. Look at this duck here. This duck is on a farm. Hello, duck with yellow beak. You waddle slow, you do not sneak. You say quack quack and splash and play. You swim and swim all through the day. Quack quack. Quack, 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 quack. Say duck. 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 Good job. Well done. Do you know the name of this animal? Look, this is a donkey. A donkey says hee haw, hee haw. Donkey. Can you say donkey? Donkey. Good job. Say donkey one more time. Donkey. Good. The donkeys have long ears. Can you see the donkey's ears? They're long. And they say hee haw. Hee haw, hee haw. Let's listen to the donkey sound. Donkey dear, with ears so long, you sing a funny hee-haw song. You carry things and take it slow. You help your friends wherever you go. Listen, listen to the sound. Which animal is this? It says meow, meow, meow. It's a cat. Can you see the cat here? Good. The cats are also found at farms. Sometimes cats are kept on farms to catch the mice. Say hello to Kitty Cat. Hi Kitty. Hi. How are you? Meow, 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 meow. Kitty says, I'm good. Good. Say meow. 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 Good job. Say cat. Cat. Well done. Soft grey cat with quiet paws, you climb and purr without a pause. You chase the string and take a nap, then curl up close upon a lap. Meow meow. Listen, listen to the sound. Which animal is this? It says woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Which animal is this? It's a woof, woof dog. Hi, doggy. Say hi, dog. Can you say dog? Dog. Say hi, dog. Hi, dog. Hi. A dog says woof, 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 woof. A dog says woof, woof, woof. A dog says woof, 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 woof. A dog says woof, woof, woof. The dogs are found at farms and also at homes. The farm dog barks and runs around. He digs and plays and sniffs the ground. He watches sheep, he guards the pen, then snuggles in his bed again. Did you enjoy meeting all these farm animals? Good, well done. See you next time with more animals. Look after yourself and keep smiling. Can you smile for me, please? Smile. Smile. Good job. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.